Umengameli weqembu uvele enkosini ihlabisa uthi akunabulungiswa ukuthi uShenge avezwe njengobuso bodlame iANC ishiywe ingcwele.
You will agree with me. The IFP was involved with the ANC in violence. I'm not hearing anyone saying Oliver Tambo was a killer, Madiba was a killer, because it was the time of these leaders that the two organizations got involved in a black-on-black violence. That is why we are saying the very few are very reckless because they are not treating the IFP in a similar way they should be treating the ANC.
Uhlabisa uthi bazobonisana nobuholi beANC ukuqala izinhlelo zokubuyisana.
We are going to take up this matter with the leadership of the ANC because we owe it to the people of South Africa to ensure that we heal the wounds of the past through the reconciliation discussion, which of course does not mean that the two political parties merge into one political party. The two will remain as separate entities, but having ensured that the unfortunate scenario that we went through, we heal those wounds and unite our people and rebuild South Africa going forward.
Umntwana wakaphinda angene wahola iIFP kwaze kwaba uyehla kwesokwengamela iqembu ngo-2019. Ukhothame ngokusa kwangomgqibelo emasontweni acela kwamabili ebungaze usuku lwakhe lokuzalwa njengoba ebehlanganisa iminyaka engu-95. iNkosi yaKwaButhelezi izotshalwa kusasa. Inkonzo yomthuno izoba senkundleni iPrince Mangosuthu Olundi.